National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a flash flood warning for Etowah County in northeastern Alabama until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Gadsden, Rainbow City, Attala, Hokes Bluff, Glencoe, Sardis City, Steele, Altoona, Walnut Grove, Ree City, Noccalula Falls, Gadsden Mall, Aurora, Neely Henry Lake, Tabor Road, Southside, Crudup, Northside, Rock Ledge and Big Wolf Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.